Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Daily Call today, Monday, the 6th of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in the last session of Friday as we entered the weekend. From Australia, locally, we saw the building approvals number decrease to minus 15.5%. It did affect the Aussie dollar a little bit. There's something more major that happened over the weekend. I'll speak to in a moment about it. The other major news came from the US. It was, of course, non-farm payrolls, where we saw the average hourly earnings drop to 0.2%. However, more jobs were created with 263,000 jobs, and the unemployment rate did go down to 3.6%. The manufacturer PMI number missed the mark slightly at 55.5 in what was relatively positive news for the US. The major talking point which has happened just over the weekend was President Trump imposing or declaring the continuation of imposing tariffs on China, which has affected our Aussie dollar this morning, with the Aussie US dollar gapping heavily around about 60-70 odd pips this morning, depending which pair you look at. So that's the reason for our Aussie dollar gapping this morning in the session that's only just opened, only about 20-30 minutes ago. Alright, that was all pretty much that's happened over the weekend. Let me jump into our chart of the day. The chart this morning that I have found is it's the GBP CHF on a daily timescale. It looks like we could be forming a double top up here. So of course what I want to happen before I take a trade is I want to confirm any price action at that level. At the moment it looks like it's confirmed, but this candle that I'm pointing at right now has only just begun, so I do need to wait for this candle to complete, which is basically tomorrow morning. And if it does complete as an inside candle, well then I would have all the things that I'm looking for and it would be a valid trade. So GBP CHF is our chart of the day this morning. Keep that one on your hot list and let's see if it plays out for us. What's happening in the session which is about to kick off? Well, there's nothing major on the cards this morning or throughout this session, so no major news scheduled. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.